How's it going, guys? Ben here with iTechTriad, and today we're going to be unboxing the LG G Watch. Now, I've been waiting all weekend since I ordered this watch to get it in-house, and now it's finally here. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it on camera. Here I actually have the shipping box that came in. I'm going to attempt not to show you guys where I live, since the shipping labels are still on the back. But let's go ahead and crack right into the box here. Missed a little bit of tape there. Sorry if there's a little feedback. I am outside and it's a little windy. So, all right, there's my Google Play receipt, a bunch of bubble wrap, and the G Watch box. So let's throw all that off to the side. And here we go. We have the information about the watch, LG G Watch, powered by Android Wear. Picture of the watch. I did get the black model. LG G Watch powered by Android Wear, LG logo, seal. Here we have some information about the device. I'm going to try to get this up here a little bit. This watch is IP67 rated for water and dust. The screen is always on, which is pretty interesting. I'm going to see how that affects battery life. It has motion sensors, so that way when you pull your watch up to look at it, it actually turns the screen on completely with color. It has a 400 milliamp hour battery and always listening OK Google, and it's of course powered by Android Wear. So let's go ahead and get it opened up. Alright, so here we go. We're going to open up the box here. So I'm just going to break the seal here. And slide it open, and here we go. There's the watch, and I'm actually pretty excited. It looks pretty nice there. But let's go ahead and set that off to the side for a second and see what else is in the box. First, we have a travel adapter, which is just the standard USB. Oh, it's sealed twice. So let's go ahead and get that open. And here we go. It's just a standard USB port, and it is a 0.2 amp if for some reason you're interested in that. Here we have the charging cradle, which is magnetic, which I think is a huge improvement over what Samsung is using in their clip-on, which if you want to see an unboxing of the Gear Live, we also have that, and it'll be up on the channel at the same time. An instruction manual. That's actually quite a lot of instructions for a watch, but whatever. And a micro USB cord. So it's nice that they are using standard ways of charging this device, and it's actually a pretty good length there. I wasn't expecting it to be that long for a watch. But we got all that over here. Put the box, close up the box again, and here we got the watch. So let's go ahead and take that out and look around. There's the band. Take that off, serial number. Here we have our charging port, the LG logo, and then here on the face of the watch, let's hope it's make the noise. Yeah, it wasn't very satisfying. And here we have the watch. Now, since I'm outside, I don't have a charging port with me, so I'm going to go grab a battery pack so I can power on the G Watch. Okay, so now I'm back, and I have a little battery pack so I can power on the G Watch. So first I'm going to take the power cradle and put it on the G Watch with magnets, best way they could have done it. Plug in the micro USB cord. And then I'm going to plug this into here and power it. And then the G Watch should turn on here. Yep, there we go. The LG logo. Turn this up here a little bit so you guys can see it. And here we have that leaked boot up animation, which obviously is real now. Which, it looks a lot like the one from Android L, which is pretty cool actually. So let's go ahead and let that boot up. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and go through the setup. Now I am in the United States, so I'm going to hit English, United States. And now it's telling me to install Android Wear on my phone. So I'm going to pull out my G2 here and get this thing connected. Alright guys, so now I have my G Watch powered on, ready to go, and I have my G2 here with the Android Wear app installed. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up as the wind moves around and blows all the bubble wrap around off the screen, which you guys can't see, but it's kind of funny. Alright, so let's go ahead and get set up here. So hit next. See all the things that Android Wear does. It has Google Now, Location, Google Fit, which was also released at I/O, and contact recognition. So we'll go ahead and go into all that stuff in a later video. So hit accept, turn on Bluetooth, and there you go. It doesn't even come up with a prompt. That actually is kind of surprised me. But choose a device. We're going to do the G Watch A1E1. It's connecting to my watch, and here you can see the pairing code on here and the pairing code on here, and they're the same. So I'm going to hit pair and check, and they're going to go ahead and pair up. Alright, so now I'm going to go into notifications and accept Android Wear notifications. So this is going to transfer all the notifications on my device to my smartwatch. So obviously you do want to hit OK on that, and then you go back. It says you're all done. See your watch to learn how to start using it. So let's go ahead and go next. And here we see it is downloading data. And from what I hear, this takes a little bit, so I'll probably cut out part of this. Okay, so here on the watch now, you can see it's a little hard. I'm sorry, it's a little hard to see outside. I'm going to see if I can turn on the brightness here in a minute. But it says you're all set. Swipe up to get started. So let's do that. Oh, that's much better. Swipe up to get started. Great. Try swiping again. Keep swiping. Swipe to remove. Move it again. Left for details. So here this is a weather card, and it's showing me London just as a demo. But here I can swipe left. I can see the forecast for the next few days, and then I can say OK, got it. And so this will be where all my actions are. So if I hit OK, got it, I'm done. And then when I'm in an app, I can swipe to dismiss, and that's also how I get back to the home screen. So I can touch anywhere on the clock and say an action such as show me my steps. So I'm going to tap the clock and say show me my steps. And you can see it's loading here. Okay, so it didn't hear me, but let's go ahead and just click on it. And obviously I haven't done any steps yet, so let's go ahead and go back. Okay, so as you can see here, the screen is very dim right now, and you do that by either putting it away or you can cover it with your palm. And there you go, the screen's all dim. That's to save battery life. So now I can swipe up, see the message, I can see some notifications I have. So here you can see a Hangout message from Timo, and he's laughing because I sent him a picture of my G Watch, and he's just jealous. So let's go ahead and keep going down here. So you can see I have some Google Plus notifications, and it gives me the option to open it on my phone. So let's go ahead and see how that works. So I'm going to hit open on my phone, and I'm going to pull up my phone here and unlock it. And there you can see I have my notifications right there. So it actually does open it directly on my phone, which is pretty awesome actually. So I'm going to swipe that away because it's getting a little annoying. And I can see that. I can see Yankee scores, and it's giving me in the background a relevant background. And I can also open that up on my phone. I can see packages that I've recently bought. So that was Alex's Gear Live. So again, if you want to see an unboxing of that, it will be linked down below. I can see my steps, which obviously I have not taken any yet. I can see another package I've bought, the G Watch, which that hasn't gone away, so goodbye. I can see the weather, my local weather, and it's very hot out here, so I'm sweating quite a lot because it's very, very humid. And here I can see the forecast, and I can also open that up on the phone. I can see local weather for where I work. And again, it gives you backgrounds for everything based on what it's about. So very smooth interface, everything's working well. As you can see, when I swipe down from the top, I can mute my notifications, I can see the date, and then let me move my finger out of the way. You can see the battery percentage. So right now I have 97% of my battery left. So we will be giving you more information on the LG G Watch and the Samsung Gear Live, as well as full reviews of both watches and Android Wear as an operating system. So stay tuned for all of that coverage, and we'll see you guys in the next iTechTriad video.